Doomsday Clock set at 2 minutes to midnight and the world moves closer to global annihilation. The Doomsday Clock, which symbolizes the current threat of global annihilation, was moved closer to midnight Thursday following a year of growing tensions between North Korea and Donald Trump. The Doomsday Clock is a symbol which represents the likelihood of a man-made global catastrophe. Maintained since 1947 by the members of the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists' Science and Security Board, the clock represents an analogy for the threat of global nuclear war. The clock represents the hypothetical global catastrophe as midnight and the Bulletin's opinion on how close the world is to a global catastrophe as a number of minutes to midnight. Its original setting in 1947 was 7 minutes to midnight. It has been set backward and forward 22 times since then, the smallest ever number of minutes to midnight being 2, in 1953 and 2018, and the largest 17, in 1991. As of January 2018, the clock is set at 2 minutes to midnight, due to United States President Donald Trump's comments over North Korea, Russia, and nuclear weapons. This setting is the clock's joint closest approach to midnight since its introduction, only matched by that of 1953. In explaining their decision on Thursday, the scientists said that they were disturbed by the rising tensions on the Korean Peninsula, the increasing emphasis and expenditure on nuclear weapons by major powers, and the absence of arms control negotiations around the world. "We've made the clear statement that we feel the world is getting more dangerous," said Lawrence Krauss, chair of the Bulletin's board of sponsors and director of Arizona State University's Origins Project. "The danger of nuclear conflagration is not the only reason the clock has been moved forward." The announcement was made in Washington, D.C., at the National Press Club. Scientists blamed a cocktail of threats ranging from dangerous political rhetoric to the potential of a nuclear threat as the catalysts for moving the clock closer toward doomsday. The greatest risks last year arose in the nuclear realm. North Korea's nuclear weapons program appeared to make remarkable progress in 2017, increasing the risks for itself, other countries in the region, and the United States, the statement continued. Hyperbolic rhetoric and provocative actions on both sides have increased the possibility of nuclear war by accident or miscalculation. Today's Doomsday Clock announcement must serve as an urgent wake-up call, and could be the last one we get, said Derek Johnson, the executive director of Global Zero, a group that wants to eliminate nuclear weapons.
Let us press onward in quest of man's essential